Hello guys, today is Sunday. Nagla-live ako kanina. After ko mag-live, kumain na naman ako ng tuyo guys. Ayan. While live, kumain ng tuyo. And then, after ng live, I eat tuyo or daing in Filipino. Ayan. As you can see, outside is ang hirap pa mag-English. Oy, kailangan ko daw mag-English, sabi nila because my viewers are, oh, ano, my viewers daw is English, not Filipino, or like marami sa aking viewers is not here in the Philippines. Ang hirap po guys mag-English, ano ba yan? So ayan, thank you so much sa lahat ng sumuporta sa aking live. Thank you guys. And pakita ko sa inyo ha, I want to show you outside. It's raining, so this is my room and this is my where I sleep. Yan. As you can see. It's very maliit. Ano bang maliit sa English? So this is my So yeah, here you see, as you can see. It's raining guys, raining. Labi lakas ng ulan guys. For 2 days now. Yun. This is the rice field. Mag-English talaga ako. Parang natatawa ako pag may mga Filipinong nanonood sa akin na nag-English ako na sobrang yung English ko sobrang hindi maganda. And dyan is rubber trees, but not ours. And this is my brother over there. But ayaw niya mapakita ng mukha guys, kaya yun. Natatawa ako sa aking English. Alam nyo, kagabi wala akong tulog. 1 hour because my sister is rushed to the hospital, but hindi ako nagdala, sila. And ako dito lang naghintay ng news, balita. So ayun, okay naman, makauwi naman siya ng matiwasay at okay na daw. So yun lang. And this is our palibot guys. Grabe kaulan. And this is my son. Gwapo no. Ang OA ng anak ko guys. Alam nyo ba, sobrang ka-OA yan. Pilingon. So, yan. Dito sa aking back to my room. Ayan. Sa aking kwarto guys. Tingnan nyo, aking dingding. Yun lang. Plywood. And ang aking tulugan is that wala akong kutsyon. Walang kutsyon guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan nito. And this, where I sleep. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching.